Welcome to AI Side Hustle, the podcast that helps you make money online using artificial intelligence. Before we start, please visit our website at ai-sidehustle.blogspot.com for free tools, prompts, and resources. Do not forget to follow us, like, and share this episode with a friend who needs to hear it. ChatOn AI, Complete Guide to the All-in-One AI Assistant, 2026 edition. Introduction. ChatOn AI is a powerful AI assistant application available on iOS, Android, and web browsers. Unlike traditional chatbots that rely on a single AI model, ChatOn provides access to multiple leading AI models within one unified interface. These include GPT-4o, Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and DeepSeek R1. The app is designed as a comprehensive productivity tool for writing, research, image generation, document analysis, and even video creation. By 2026, ChatOn AI has surpassed 100 million downloads worldwide. Key features and tools. 1. Multi-model access. Users can switch between different AI models depending on the task. GPT-4o excels at creative writing and reasoning. Claude 3.5 Sonnet is ideal for long context understanding and safe responses, while DeepSeek R1 offers strong coding and mathematical abilities. 2. AI image generation. ChatOn includes an image generator that allows users to create artwork, illustrations, and diagrams using text prompts. It supports multiple styles and aspect ratios. 3. Document analysis. You can upload PDFs, Word documents, Excel sheets, PowerPoint files, and images. The AI will extract, summarize, or answer questions based on the content. 4. Video creation. A standout feature is the ability to generate short videos from text descriptions. This is useful for social media content, presentations, or educational clips. 5. Voice input and output. The app supports speech-to-text and text-to-speech, making it accessible for hands-free use. The voice quality is natural and supports multiple languages. 6. Web search integration. ChatOn can perform live web searches to provide up-to-date information, news, and facts beyond its training data. 7. Custom instructions and memory. Users can set custom instructions and the AI will remember important details across conversations for more personalized interactions. Pricing plans. Free tier, limited daily messages, basic access to older models, and standard response speed. Pro plan, monthly subscription with higher message limits, access to all models, priority support, and advanced features like video generation. Ultra plan, annual billing or higher tier monthly with unlimited messages, fastest response times, and early access to new features. Use cases. Students, summarize lectures, solve math problems, get essay feedback. Professionals, draft emails, analyze reports, create presentations. Creators, generate images, script videos, brainstorm content ideas. Developers, debug code, explain algorithms, generate documentation. Pros and cons. Pros, all-in-one platform, multiple AI models, frequent updates, strong privacy controls, cross-platform sync. Cons, free tier limits can be restrictive, video generation requires high-performance devices, some advanced features are behind a paywall. Conclusion. ChatOn AI is one of the most versatile AI assistants available in 2026. By combining multiple top-tier models with unique tools like document analysis and video creation, it offers excellent value for power users. Whether you need a simple chatbot or a full suite AI productivity tool, ChatOn AI is worth trying. We hope you found this article useful for your AI side hustle journey. To discover more tools, strategies, and step-by-step guides, make sure to visit our official website. The address is ai-sidehustle.blogspot.com. We publish new articles every week. Please support our work by doing 3 simple things. First, Click the follow button on our blog so you never miss an update. Second, give this article a like if you enjoyed it. Third, share it with your friends, colleagues, or anyone who wants to make money online using artificial intelligence. Together, we are building a community of smart side hustlers. Thank you for being part of it.